Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to a Spiegel Mom Scraps DT project today. So today I have a fun, quick little page for you with my shakers. You know how I love to do my shakers, and I love to shape them. So today we're going to do something a little bit different, but just a little bit, just adding a little bit of whimsy. An 8.5 by 11 page of one of my favorite flowers, the hibiscus. Now, they are not perennial here in my area. Of course, they are annuals, and people tend to put them in big pots outside for the summer. You can bring them in the winter. I've tried before. I've had some success and some fail, so I don't know. But I did have one that lasted 2 years for sure. But I just absolutely love hibiscus. I find them so pretty, so delicate, so elegant. So, white cardstock. And what I thought I would do for my shakers is I have a punch that sort of is a little bit the same shape as a hibiscus, and I wanted to see how I could turn that into a shaker. I do have 2 sizes of this punch. These are from Stampin' Up. I've had them for years and years, and I tried the bigger one so that I could have the full shape as the back, but that didn't work. It's not quite, it was bigger, but not bigger enough, if that's English. So what I decided to do is use my flower and then my 2-inch punch. So and I'm working, of course, with my main character energy. So just in here, just punch out a fun flower, and then come in and around the flower, just sort of center the 2-inch punch so that you have enough all the way around to get the adhesive. That's sort of to hide the adhesive. That's the biggest part. And that will be the top of the shaker. And then I thought I would use this lovely pink as the backer. And it's sort of, that is all there is to it. Then, of course, come in, put the lovely acetate from Spiegel Mom Scraps on there and create a shaker. So I've put some adhesive all the way around my bottom circle here. And what I do, instead of using my little bowls, is I basically use my sequin pack, and I'm using Joyful here. This is a set that the lovely Sarah Scraps designed to go with Chamel's main character energy, one of the 2 sets that she designed to go with this collection, and it's just gorgeous. This was, I believe, last month. Was it September, Sarah? Or maybe even August. I've shown you in the video that's going to follow, that you saw this morning, I guess. I probably saw day 4 this morning. I did use a few of the October sequins. Not enough to make it a project, though. And then I just take this little coffee spoon, pop that in my area here, and that way it all contains itself in the right spot. I then use my little pokey tool, just right there, to remove, there we go, and it just goes all the way around, and it keeps everything contained. There we go. And then just get my shaker on top of that. There we go. Oh, I did it a little bit crooked here so you can see a little bit of white, but that's not too bad. And there you have your little shaker. So of course, I used the flowers that I punched out and I popped them here. So all I did here, I had this photo, matted it in this lovely pink to sort of continue with the hot pink in the background, popped my photo up on foam, and when I was putting my page kits together or getting this ready last month for Collection Obsession, the prompt in Rediscover Your Stash last month was old and new, so I went in and I got some die cuts, some older die cuts from other Chamel collections and from some Paige Evans collections. These are from Paige Evans. I just popped those there and then sort of decided where I was going to put my shakers. I'm going to go off and do these two right here. And I think my title is simply going to be in these gorgeous purple Fitzgerald, of course. And I'm going to put Beauty. So what I think is we'll bring this down and we'll put Beauty across here. Let's do that together. There we go. But I want it to come out a little bit here. So let's start there because it's these they're so beauty. I wasn't sure I would have enough room, but now I'm thinking I will definitely have maybe even extra room. So let's put that there. There we go. I got 3 packs of these, my friends, so I'm thrilled. I'm going to have some lovely Fitzgerald. I know they're not calling them that now, but that is what they are. So, and we have a hashtag saying, you know, Fitzgerald in all the colors, trying to send a little bit of a message to American Crafts, sent a little note even. Don't really know if anybody reads them, but there we go. Beauty, let's get the T there. Why, there we go. So get that there. Then pop this. I think I'm going to pop this over this little floral a little bit. There we go. Let's get that down. This one is going to be very, very bad. There we go. And I'll make the stripes go a little bit of a different way. Oh no, actually I kind of like it like that. Okay, there we go. Pop that there. So now I need to go off and do those 2. And then I think we might come back and get a little bit more sequins in some of the areas. And we might pop a flare as well. Maybe Real Light or Lovely. Oh, Lovely would be nice. Maybe pop that in here somewhere. Yeah, I think we just might. And then I just want to do some outlining. So I'm going to do that now while I'm with you. At least do one of them. So there we go. Let's just all the way around. And I'm going to do it in 2 colors. This lovely pink. This is a marker from Stampin' Up. It's Melon Mambo. I don't know if that color still exists, but it really is a nice hot pink, bubblegum pink. As an ink for stamping, I find it a little intense, but I love it here. And I've got, which is this now? This is Elegant Eggplant. Oh, all right. See, this one's going a little bit dry. Some of them last years and years and years, like that Melon Mambo. It's like I just got it. And some go dry a little bit faster. I don't really know what it is, but I think I'm still getting enough so that we see the 2 colors. There we go. All right, so I have that. Let me go do these two shakers. You don't need to see me fussing with my adhesive and my sequins. I've shown you one. And we'll come back and just quickly finish this together, my friends. Okay, my friends, so I got the shaker pockets done and down on the page. And you know I like to vary the circular shapes in terms of size, medium, so texture as well. So I've got this lovely flare, which is from the American Crafts main character energy set that Hey Little Magpie made to go with the collection. Maybe here? Yeah, so I have that. I've got this lovely camera wood button that I went to get, which is from Shadney. Also the wood buttons from main character energy, and I think this one would be cute. It's the little floral, or this one that says happy. That could be nice as well. And then perhaps a couple of little enamel dots. Now you see I'm looking right here in that little space, and even a wood button I think is a little too big, so I might put a couple of enamel dots. A pink one, there we go, and one of the purple ones. There you go. So I do like that. Now I definitely am thinking of maybe the camera there. Would that look nice? This I find is a little too big to be up there, unless I did something like this. Yeah, I think it is better down here. I do kind of like that there. I do like this here. And then maybe would we put this floral right here? There maybe, or here. Oh, that is kind of cute there, isn't it? There we go. Okay, so let's put that there. Then do I want, okay, so then I'm thinking I might put this one here. There we go. This, I don't want it too in line, so there, we might put it there. And then pop, yeah, let's get those down, because I do, that one is down. Those are already, they have adhesive on them. So let's pop this one, or would I, yeah, let's pop this one here. Okay, and then we'll put the little camera up there. Put it here. And then maybe pop an enamel dot here. And the small purple one. I didn't bring my little pokey tool. Oh, golly. Here. Am I going to get that down? There we go. Oh, there's a blue one stuck to my desk. So we'll put it maybe there. Okay, then over here, I think I'd like put a yellow one there. Okay, then I think we need a couple in there. Do one of these sort of turquoisey ones. There we go. With a darker pink. And we'll put a lighter pink there. There we go, and I think we need a little something down here, sort of maybe this orangey one in there, together with the navy right there. Okay, there you go, my friends. I like that. So we have wood. the shaker pockets, some enamel dots that come from this sheet from Main Character Energy. And I guess I'm just wondering, should we do just a little bit of sprinkles, or would that be too much? Just a few. Just a tiny, tiny little bit. Okay. There we go. I think that's enough. That definitely does it, my friends. And that is so cute. I love this. And it's a nice 8.5 by 11. And I have another one in my album that was just waiting for a companion page. I do mix my albums. I store pretty much everything in 12 by 12 in these two sizes, but I do like putting some 8.5 by 11s in there. Although I did find a binder when I was organizing the other day. I found a binder, an 8.5 by 11 binder that could be perfect, so we'll see. But there you go, my friends. So again, I used these gorgeous, joyful sequins. My affiliate link to get quickly over to this shop is in the description down below, my friends. It doesn't cost you any more. It helps me a little bit with this channel. And if you use my code Moira15, except for the pre-orders, the monthly pre-orders, everything else you get a lovely 15% off your order. Thanks so much for being here with me, and I will see you back here very, very soon, my friends. Bye for now.